In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity Browser. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Perplexity AI. You'll see a clean interface with a prominent prompt box in the center. Click in that box, type your question, and press enter. The clearer your prompt, the better the result. If you care about a time frame, a region, or a particular format, include that right in the question so the answer is tailored to your needs. Perplexity will return a concise response, and directly beneath it, you'll notice small numbered citations. These link to the exact sources used. Click any number to preview the reference or open it in a new tab to verify details. This transparency is powerful. Use it to double-check facts, compare perspectives, and build confidence in the information you're seeing. Near the top, look for the focus control. By default, it's set to Web, which searches broadly. Click it to target specific sources when you need precision. Choose Academic to emphasize peer-reviewed papers and scholarly material, Reddit or Twitter for social discussions and real-world experiences, or YouTube to surface relevant video transcripts for tutorials and talks. Switching focus can dramatically change the depth, tone, and style of evidence in your results. If you want Perplexity to analyze your own content, click the paperclip icon or drag and drop files such as PDFs, text documents, or images. Then ask questions directly about what you uploaded. Summaries, key takeaways, comparisons, or explanations. For best results, give a brief instruction about what you want to extract or learn, and avoid uploading sensitive personal information. When you need a more rigorous investigation, turn on Pro Search. This mode performs a multi-step browse across multiple pages, reasons through complex topics, and can revise its own answer as it gathers more evidence. It's especially helpful for research, comprehensive overviews, or intricate questions where you want a deeper synthesis. It may take a little longer, but the improved context is often worth the wait. After you get an answer, keep the conversation going. There's no need to start from scratch. Simply ask a follow-up in the same thread to refine the output, explore related angles, or drill into a specific section. Each follow-up builds on the existing context. Finally, when you're ready to share your findings, click the share button at the top right of the thread and copy the link. Send it to teammates or friends so they can see the answer, the full conversation, and the sources. That's the flow. Ask clearly, verify with citations,